How you doing, guys? Today we have 2017 Honda Pilot. Customer have one working key and we're gonna create another universal Autel key fob. Let's get started. So the first thing, we need to create the FCC ID to match the same as the original, and then we can program. So you're gonna go in the menu for universal key and you're gonna look for Honda Pilot, and we're gonna do generate universal key. I'm gonna speed it forward while it's writing it down. Takes about probably a minute. And that's it. You can hit completed. After I finish writing it down, I like to go back to the main menu and make sure that we have the desired frequency. So I'm going to press on it next to the antenna and we're going to see the frequency to make sure that it's matching. Alright, we're going to go to the car and in order to program, we're going to put the dongle in the OBD right underneath. By the way, if you like those videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. I always start when the ignition is on position. I'm going to go to immobilizer. We're going to go and look for Honda. It tells me that the dongle is not connected. So I'm going to hit OK and I'm going to go to the settings on top. And we're going to open the VCI and make sure that it's connected to the dongle first in order to have communication. As soon as it's connected, you can go back in the menu and hit automatic selection. Ignition is on position, so we're going to read the VIN number. We got the VIN number, we'll hit OK and it's going to decode it. We're going to put smart key because it's a push start. Then we're going to hit push to start. We're going to verify all the information and hit yes. We're going to go to hot function. It asked me if the ignition turns on when you press twice. I wrote yes because we have a working key. We're going to do add key because I do not want to delete all the rest. And we're going to start the procedure. It tells me if I want to clear all the engine codes. They said there is nothing there, so I just hit OK. Tell me to switch the ignition off. Place the learn key in the vehicle and take any other keys out of the car. So I'm going to leave the original in the car and I'm going to take the universal one, the one that is not programmed. I'm going to take it out of the vehicle at least 5 meters away. I'm going to leave it right here and we'll keep the programming procedure. I'm going to hit OK. Please turn the ignition switch on without pushing the brake pedal. I'm going to press twice on the start in order to turn it on position. All of those steps it does automatically in a hot function, so we don't need to press on anything. It says programming proceeded. Would you like to program next key? I'm going to say yes because I want to program the new one. It tells me to take all the keys out. So with the ignition on, I'm going to take the original as well and I'm going to put it outside of the vehicle. And I'm going to press OK on the machine after we took it out. Then it tells me to bring the new key, the unprogrammed one, into the vehicle. So I'm going to take the new Autel Universal, and as soon as I'm sitting inside, I like to put it next to the ignition without pressing, just next to it. And I'm gonna hit OK. Programming succeeded. I'm gonna hit OK. It's gonna turn the ignition off. I'm gonna press with the fob itself. Turn on, so I'm gonna press twice. This is the closing of the programming mode. That's the procedure. It asks me if both security lights are off. I'm gonna hit yes. Turn the ignition off. I turned it off. Turn it on again. I'm gonna press twice. Completed. Switch it off. And then it tells me to check all the remotes, make sure everything starts. So we're gonna test it out. Everything works the way it should. And we're gonna try also to start the vehicle. I'm gonna test it first from outside. Long press on the circle, that's the remote start, so it's going to start the car. And long press again to turn it off. Long press on the trunk in order to park the trunk. Everything works the way it should. I'm going to lock it up and check the proximity. And everything works nice and easy. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to answer those questions. Thank you again.